Hi students, welcome to PhD Jobs and Admission. This is Gauri. So in this video, I am going to teach you about research methodology subject of PhD entrance test at Anna University. So in this session, I am going to teach you about measures of central tendency by using MCQs. Okay. So students, measures of central tendency, this topic is really very important in terms of statistical techniques. Okay. Because whenever you do data analysis in your whole research process, then in that case you need to use measures of central tendency as a statistical technique to analyze your data, and that's why on this topic you will be getting more MCQs in PhD entrance test at Anna University. So students, after watching this session, all of your doubts will get clear regarding measures of central tendency, and as well you will get an idea exactly what types of MCQs will be asking in PhD entrance test at Anna University. Okay. So students, before starting this session, I want to tell you that Global Online team provides you complete course on research methodology, because there is a PhD entrance test at Anna University, and there you will be asking 25% MCQs on research methodology, and that's why whenever you buy this course, then obviously by using this course you can qualify PhD entrance test by scoring more marks in research methodology subject itself. So in this course we provide you full syllabus video lectures under which theories and MCQs both are available. We provide you full syllabus notes and mock tests. We provide you more than 1500 MCQs revision PDF, and all these study materials are in both the languages, and those are Hindi and English. Okay, so students, we provide you 10 mock tests like this, and each mock test contains 40 MCQs, and that's why overall you can solve 400 MCQs in these mock tests. Okay, so by the use of this revision PDF, you can revise all your topics in single PDF only, and that's why you will get 80% MCQs from this PDF only out of 100% MCQs in research methodology section of PhD entrance test. Okay, so students, if you want to buy this course, then you can either download the Global Online app from the Play Store. For that, I given the link in the description box of this video, or else you can contact me through these WhatsApp numbers. Okay, so students, the course fees are really very less, which are only 699 rupees, and in such low fees we provide you step by step guidance at each and every step of your PhD admission at Anna University, and as well we provide you 100% guarantee that you can guaranteed qualify the PhD entrance test over here. Now let us start with our today's session. Now the question 1 is, the sum of deviations taken away from the mean is called. Okay, so students, whenever you are taking the deviations from the mean and you are going to sum those deviations, then the summation, okay, that summation value will be what? Whether that value will always be equal to 0, whether it never equals to 0, or whether sometimes equal to 0, or none of the above. So students, basically this value is always equal to 0, and that's why your correct answer should be 1. So now let us see what is the exactly reason behind this. Okay, this happens because of the property that arithmetic mean is characterized as center of gravity. Okay, because there is a property of arithmetic mean, and this is called as center of gravity. Okay, what does it mean? Okay, so its meaning is that sum of positive deviation from the mean is equal to sum of the negative deviation. Okay, so whenever you take the positive deviation from the mean, okay, and whenever you do summation of that, then that summation is equal to the sum of negative deviation. So let us see example. For example, there is a data set 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and after that you take out the mean of this. So what will be its mean? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 5. Okay, so 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15. So 15 by 5 is equal to 3. So your mean value will be 3 over here. Now let us take the deviations from the mean. So whenever you need to take the deviations from the mean, then you need to subtract mean value from each data. So for example, there is 1, then you will do 1 minus 3, then you will get minus 2. Okay, then you will do 2 minus 3, you will get minus 1. 3 minus 3 will be 0, then 4 minus 3 will be 1, then 5 minus 3 will be 2. So now take the summation of this. So what will be the summation? Minus 2 plus minus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2. So your value will be minus 3 plus 3 will be 0. Okay, so now all of you understood. That's why whenever you take the deviations from the mean and whenever you do the summation of it, then you will get 0 value always. Okay, that's why your correct answer should be 1. Now next is find the mean of the given data. Now they have given you the data set and you need to find out its mean value. So as I have told you earlier in this video that whenever you need to find out mean, that is nothing but arithmetic mean, then its value will be, or its a formula will be sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. Okay, number of observations. So let us do the sum of all these observations. 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6 plus 9 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 1 plus 5 divided by, now the number of observations will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, and whenever you solve this, then you will get value which is equal to 5. Okay, so your summation should be 55 divided by 11, then it will be 5. Okay, that's why your correct answer will be 5. If in an asymmetrical distribution the median is 29 and mean is 37, what will be the value of the mode? So now here they have given us the example, and here the data set is basically asymmetrical distribution mode, and they have given you the value of median which is 29 and mean is 37, and we need to find out the value of mode. So students, all of these three are nothing but the measures of central tendency. Median, mean and mode, these are the measures of central tendency. And whenever the data is distributed asymmetrically, asymmetrical means that the values of these three measures of central tendency will be different. Okay, so here the value of median is 29, mean is 37, and that's why mode value will be different. And whenever these values are equal, like whenever median, mean and mode having value 29 and all of are equal, then it is called as symmetrical distribution. Okay, so whenever there is asymmetrical distribution, then there is a proper relationship between these measures of central tendency. So what is that? So in that relationship, 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. So now let us substitute these values in this formula. So now they have given you the value of median. So 3 cross 29 is equal to, we need to find out the value of mode. So plus 2, keep value of mean. Then do this, 3 cross 29 minus 2 cross 37 is equal to mode. Then you will get the value of mode which is equivalent to 13. Okay, that's why your correct answer should be 2. Next is find the median of the given series. Now here they have given you some data values and we need to find out the median. Okay, so whenever we need to find out the median, then in that case you need to arrange the data in either an ascending order or in a descending order. So let us see, arrange this data in ascending order first of all. So the smallest number is 2, then 3, then 4, then after that there is 8, and then there is 11. So the median value is always equivalent to the actually middle value. Okay, so it will be equivalent to middle value. Okay, and that's why over here your median should be 4. Okay, because 2. Okay, then again 4 is actually occurred 2 times. So here 3 values will go over here, 3 values will go over here. So the middle value will be 4 yours. Okay, and that's why it is called as the median, because it is the middle value in the whole data set whenever you arrange it in an either ascending order or in a descending order. So your correct answer should be 1. Next, find the mean proportional between 4 and 16. So there is a formula for this. So whenever you need to find out the mean proportional between the two numbers, then you need to take the square root of these two numbers, square root of the multiplication of these two numbers. Then here the numbers are 4 and 16, so take a square root of its multiplication, then you will get under root 64, you will get 8, and that's why the mean proportional between 4 and 16 will be 8. So your correct answer should be 2. Next, if mean and mode of some data are 4 and 10 respectively, its median will be. Now here they have given the values of mean and mode. The value of mean is 4 and the value of mode is 10, and we need to find out the value of median. So again use the similar formula that I have told you earlier in this video, and that is 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Now substitute the values in this. 3 median is equal to mode, the value of mode is 10 plus 2, the value of mean is 4, then 3 median is equal to 10 plus 8, which is 18. So the value of median will be 18 upon 3, which is equal to 6. So your correct answer should be 4, that is 6. Next, what is the mean of the range, mode and median of the data given below? Now here we need to find out the mean of the range, mode and median of the data given below. So that's why we need to calculate first of all range value, mode value, median value. Then after that we need to sum of these values, we need to divide it by 3, and after that you will get the mean of the range, mode and median of the given data series. So first of all let us find out the value of range, which is equal to maximum value minus minimum value. So now in the given data set, let us find out what is the first of all maximum value. So the maximum value is 19. So 19 minus minimum value is 2. So 19 minus 2, which is equal to 17. So your range will be 17. Now let us see the value of mode. So now mode is nothing but the most occurred frequency of the data value, okay, or the value or the data having mostly frequently occurred. So whenever you see these numbers, then let us find out the number which is frequently occurred. So 5 occurred only one times, 10 occurred only one time, 3 occurred 2 times, okay, 2 times, 6 occurred one time, 4 occurred 3 times, 1, 2 and 3, okay, 3 times, 8 occurred only one time, 9 occurred 2 times, then 15 occurred one time, 19 occurred one time, 11 occurred one time. So the mostly frequently occurred data value is 4, and that's why mode will be 4. Now let us find out the value of median. So for the median you need to either arrange your data in ascending or descending order, and you need to find out the middle value, and there is a common formula for median as well. So median is equal to n plus 1 upon tooth term when n is odd. N means number of observations will be odd. So let us see whether the number of observations over here is odd or even. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now over here the number of observations are odd, which is 15, and that's why you can use this formula. But whenever there is number of observations even, then in that case the median formula will be different. Okay, so let us find out the median value. So n plus 1 will be 15 plus 1 upon tooth term. So 15 plus 1 is 16 upon tooth term, yani ki 8th term. Okay, and here the 8th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is 3. That's why here your median value will be 3. So now let us 17 plus 4 plus 3 divided by 3. Do this calculation, then you will get the value of mean will be 9. Okay, 9. And that's why your correct answer should be 4, because this is the value of the mean of the range, mode and median of the whole data set which is given here. Okay, now next is find the median of the given set of numbers. Now this is really very easiest questions. So again you need to now first of all arrange this particular data set in descending or ascending order, and after that take out the middle term, that will be your median. So now let us keep this data in ascending order. So first of all 2 will come, then 4 will come, then after that 6 will come, 7 will come, and then 9 will come. So your median will be over here 6, because 3 will go for left and right, and the middle value will be 6. So your correct answer should be 1 over here, that is 6. So I can give you one tip, that whenever the data set values, or you can say whenever the number of observations are very large, okay, then in that case you use the formula for the median that I have told you in the earlier part of this video, and was that median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term when number of observations is odd. But whenever the number of observations is even, then in that case use this formula. Median is equal to 1 by 2 in bracket n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. Okay, so use this formula when number of observations is even. Okay, but here in this case you basically you don't need to use this formula, because number of observations are really very low, and that's why you can easily arrange the series of data in ascending or descending order, right? That's why your correct answer should be 1. Now next is, let the average of 3 numbers will be 16. If 2 of the numbers are 8 and 10, what is the remaining number? Now over here they have given us some information. So they have given us the average of 3 numbers, which is 16, and that's why your mean value, okay, will be 16, and 3 numbers means your number of observations is 3, and from these number of observations they have given us the values of 2 observations, and those are 8 and 10, and we need to find out the value of another observation. So let us use the formula for mean, which is equal to sum of all the observations, okay, upon total number of observations. Now here they have given you the value of mean, which is 16. Now sum of observations will be what? 8 plus 10. Let us assume that the remaining observation is 6 and total number of observations 3. So do 16 cross 3 is equal to 18 plus x. So do this multiplication and subtract 18 from this number, then you will get the value of x, which will be 30. Okay, that's why your correct answer over here should be 4. Now next is, if the mode of the following data is 7, then the value of k in the data set. Now here they have given you the data set, okay, and we need to find out the value of k, and they have given you another information, which is that the value of mode is 7. Okay, it means that 7 is the most frequently occurred value in the whole data set. So let us see how many times 7 has occurred. So 1, 2 and 3 times. Now let us see if there is another number which is occurred 3 times over here. So now let us see, 6 occurred 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. It means that 7 should occur 4 times. That's why it will be mode of your data set, and that's why whenever you do over here 2k plus 5 is equal to 7, okay, because 7 has already occurred 3 times. Okay, and that's why 2k plus 5 value should be equal to 7, so that it will be the mode value. So do this, 2k is equal to 7 minus 5. So 2k is equal to what? 2, then k is equal to 1. So your correct answer should be 4, that is 1. Okay. So students, I hope so all of you understood what is exactly mode, median and mean. But still, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box of this video.